Hey guys, this is Fiend Tech here, and today I'm going to be doing a setup slash sound test of this, the Samson C01U Studio Condenser USB microphone. So since it's USB, that means you do not have to plug it into a mixer. You can just plug it straight into your PC, Mac, laptop, whatever. Okay, so as you can possibly see, I'm using it with the Samson PS01 pop shield, but I'm not going to go into any detail about that at the moment. Okay, so first you've got to grab the cable that comes in the box. So I'll just come over here and show that to you. So you've got your USB here and this input which goes in to the bottom of the mic, so I'll just show you that. And there we go. So then all you have to do is, sorry, things getting in the way, is plug it into your computer and the basic software will download itself. I'd just like to take a quick second to apologise about the picture quality and the slight technical issues, but it'll be okay soon. Okay, so I'm going to be switching over to screen capture in a few seconds to show you the main setup, and then I'll be doing a little sound test for you. I'm just going to be using the built-in Windows sound recorder, which doesn't really do anything apart from record, can't edit or anything. This microphone does come with Cakewalk from Samsung, and I will hopefully be doing a video on that soon, but I'm just giving you a pure microphone, no edit sound test, okay? So we're just going to switch over to screen capture now. Enjoy. So the device software has been installed. That took a few seconds when I plugged it in. So I'm just going to show you how to do the basic setup. So go into your start menu and then into control panel, and then head over to hardware and sound, then manage audio devices under sound. It comes up with your speaker here, so I'm going to head over to recording, and as you can see, the Samson C01U is my default device. Now what you're going to do is right click on that and do configure, and do properties. Now what you have to do is go into levels, because when I first plugged it in it was down at 6, and I'll show you what happens. And then it comes back up really loud, okay? So I'm just going to put it down to 30, and that should sound okay. So that's all you really need to do for the basic setup. So now we're going to head over to the sound test. And by the way, for the sound test, I'm just going to be using the sound recorder tool. I will set up, I will be doing a demo hopefully on the Sonar Cakewalk system that comes with the microphone. Okay, sound test coming up. Okay guys, so now we're going to do a little sound test. Now I'm actually up here in my attic at the moment, and I'm here with my beautiful drum kit. Okay, so I'm not going to play anything much. I'm just going to make some noises and see how the Samson C01U records them. Okay, so as I said before, I'm just using the Windows sound recorder. I will not be editing this in any way apart from cutting out bits. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so hopefully that gave you a bit of an insight of the depth of sound and range that this condenser microphone has. I will shortly be doing a review and possibly. So guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, head over to Facebook and Twitter. My names are on screen, and I'll also put links down in the description. If you've got any questions you would like to ask, please leave a comment or email me at the address on screen. Thanks for watching. See you.